Hi, I'm Ben from Bosch, and in this video I'm going to tell you about the Bosch Levelling Remote App and how to use it in conjunction with the GRL 600 CHV. It's an app that can be used with interior and exterior leveling tools from Bosch Professional, and it supports a line of line laser tools, but now also our rotary laser tool. You can use it to access the features of the device and change its settings, and it's available free of charge in iOS and Android app stores. Using the connectivity features of our leveling tools offers three main benefits. First of all, you're more productive because setup of the tool is faster, especially if you want to change the slope settings. Second, you can work with the tool more conveniently because the app offers a more intuitive user interface than the device, and you can also work with the device remotely when it's set up somewhere where it's hard to reach, for example. And third, it makes operation more reliable because remote controlling the device via the app saves you the risk of moving the tool while you're pressing the buttons on the device itself. In order to connect the Levelling Remote App and the GRL 600 CHV, we just have to ensure that Bluetooth is turned on both devices. So on the tool, it's on by default. And now I'm going to open the Levelling Remote App, and it's going to connect automatically if there's only one tool available. You can see it's already connected. If there's more than one tool, you'll get a selection in the beginning, or you can also go in the top bar, you can go onto this Bluetooth icon, and then you'll see an overview of the available devices. And if you've got several devices, you can distinguish these by the serial number printed on the back of the tool. Now I'll give you a quick overview of the home screen of the Levelling Remote App. So here you've got 6 buttons for accessing different features of the app. On the top left, you can see the rotary laser control, where you can actually control the settings and the features of the device. On the top right, you've got the UCAL feature, which allows you to perform user calibration on the job site. For these 2 top features, you can check out our other videos. The next is the Keypadlock. You can activate this remotely to ensure that no one changes the settings on your device while you're not supervising it. Next, we also have a product video that you can check out. Under app settings, you can change basic settings like language, for example, and on the bottom right, you've got access to the help.